vlogging today. So I'm gonna put y'all up. I'm cutting potatoes because I'm making potato salad. And I have steak on the grill. And I have salad. Always wash your potatoes off. And I think I'm gonna make baked beans too. And then we have chips, which I'm not big on chips. They are. But I'm making that. Okay. So my son's outside because he's monitoring these steaks because he thinks they're gonna burn. So he's outside monitoring the steaks, and then he came in. I thought he was gonna say it's smoking or something. He said, I think the steaks are done. No, we don't eat red steak. Now I know I'm supposed to like chop them up on here and then like scrape it into the pan, but I'm not doing that. I'll just cut it. I don't care. What, you think it's nasty? You don't like banana pudding? Huh? No. Why? I forgot. I do have one new decor piece. Let me go get it. It's a rug that I got from Amazon. Hold on, let me make sure. Okay, no. My address ain't on here. But this is the rug that I got from Amazon. This is the brand, I believe. It is Earth All. And it is the Boohoo or Boho bathroom rug, black and white, bedroom geometric. And on the back shows like the detail of it. I don't know if you can see it. So cute. I haven't put it down yet, but it's going in my kitchen. I'm about to start some laundry, but I just want to let y'all know that it's a mess in here. And I don't plan on tackling this mess right now. So but I'm going to show y'all what it looks like. Yeah, it's a mess in here. So, but I'm about to start some laundry. So I'll let y'all watch me do that. And you know, I'm just being real and honest, you know, with letting y'all know that I was not tackling that laundry right there. I just don't feel like doing it. Now, I'll wash clothes all day long, but as far as folding clothes, that's something I need to work on. I think, well, majority of us, I think that's the worst. That's the last thing that we want to do is fold clothes. But sooner or later I'll do it. Honestly, I'll probably do it tomorrow, because after, I may have 2 loads out of this one, I don't know. But after I wash these, I'll have to, because it'll be just too much. And I think I may have some in the dryer too, so. Yay me. These are all my son's clothes for school this week, so that's why I'm washing these up. Yeah, I'll save the rest of it to make another load. I hate this well, I like this washer, but I hate this washer because, can y'all see me? Ah, see if y'all can get what I'm doing. I'll put it over here. But this washer is a Maytag. I'm not for sure what the model is at the moment, but I'm used to washers. I'm gonna carry y'all with me. I'm used to washers. I'm used to washers that let me get it out. I'm used to washers that, like, if you open up the lid, like the water is still pouring in, like filling up. This washer does not do that. But I do like this washer. But it's fine, like I said, because before I didn't even have a washer and dryer. I've never owned a washer and dryer, to be honest with you. Like, living on my own, I've never owned a washer and dryer, so I'm thankful to have a washer and dryer. Because, oh, there's my headband. Because living without one and having to go to the laundromat, ugh, such an inconvenience and a lot of money. So. Y'all probably hear my iPad playing in the background. I'm watching a YouTube video. I'm watching Kayla Cake. I'll leave her channel name. I'll leave her channel name either on the screen or down below. But I bought this because I wanted to try it out. And it's Downy Infusions Bliss Sparkling Amber and Rose. So I'm going to smell it right now. I don't know if y'all can see. Oh, you probably won't be able to see. Wow. It's very fragrant. It smells good. It smells like... It smells like a perfume. And then I also got the Snuggle lavender and vanilla. You can, it smells good. You can never go wrong with lavender and vanilla, but I'm just trying to wash up some of these clothes, fold some clothes. It's a mess in this laundry room, so I'm gonna get to doing that. I don't want to put a whole lot because, like I said, it smells like perfume. And then it says my washer says dilute with water, so let me go get some water. That's who I'm watching.
So they kind of sag, but this is pretty much how I'm going to sleep tonight. I just pull them out so they're kind of saggy, because I don't want them to really like pull while I'm sleeping.
That's her name.
So yeah, that is pretty much how your girl is gonna go to sleep. Usually I have like one